Welcome on the bold topics, and I am Anand Me. In this series of Kaun Marega Baji, today we will talk about Araria Lok Sabha seat in Bihar. RJD and BJP are trying their luck on Araria Lok Sabha seat. RJD and BJP have always fought on this seat. Sometimes RJD has hosted its flag and sometimes BJP has made lotus bloom. Currently, BJP MP from here is Pradeep Kumar Singh, and once again BJP has expressed confidence in its MP. The current MP is going to face father and son, and now the second son. Pradeep Kumar became MLA for the first time in 2005. He became MP in 2009. After this, he had to face defeat in 2014. Then by-elections were held in this area. In the year 2080, he had to face defeat again and had to face defeat because the sitting MP Taslimuddin had passed away. In such a situation, in most cases, the goodwill vote was to be given to his family members. Taslimuddin is a big name in politics. He has been the Minister of State for Home in the central government. Not only this, he has been a big political face of Simanchal. He represented Purnia, Araria, Kishanganj Lok Sabha. After his death, his own son Sarfraz Alam was fielded by RJD, and he was successful in defeating Pradeep Kumar by just 60,000 votes, while his father won the election by about 1.5 lakh votes, and Pradeep lost the election. In the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, a battle broke out again in the electoral field between Sarfraz Alam and Pradeep Kumar. This time, Pradeep Kumar Singh defeated RJD candidate Sarfraz Alam by 1,37,241 votes. Sarfraz Alam was also an MLA from Kihat Assembly election. This time his brother Shahnawaz Alam is in the fray. Shahnawaz was an MLA from Jakihat from 2018 to 2020. He was in the election race in the 2020 Assembly elections, but RJD did not give him a ticket. RJD gave ticket to his brother Sarfraz. Then Shahnawaz also contested from Owaisi Party AIMIM against former MLA and his brother Sarfraz, and interestingly he also won. Now in 2022 he had returned to RJD. His reputation also got tarnished by joining RJD. This is what politics is all about. The party and the candidate revolve around the chair power, just as the earth revolves around the sun. And the time changes, day and night come, just like the RJD MLA who refused to bet on the candidate had now bet on the same candidate as an MP. Now it will be interesting to see whether Pradeep, who defeated his brother, is able to defeat another member of the same family and his brother again, or whether Pradeep sets a record of being an MP from here for the third time. However, it is clear that only two families are face to face in the parliamentary elections, and what is even more interesting is that three candidates from one family are facing Pradeep of BJP one after the other. If we talk about the caste equation of Araria Lok Sabha seat, then the Muslim Yadav MY factor works here. There are 44% Muslim voters on this seat. There are 56% Hindu voters. There are 10% Yadav voters. In this way, Muslims and Yadavs together constitutes 59%, which is more than the Hindu voters. Therefore, the MY factor holds a special significance on this seat. And in such a situation, all the whole situation The victory of the BJP candidate in the RJD stronghold is a big success for the BJP. What is your opinion about this video? Comment, like, share and subscribe the channel.